Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here, it is still on a bullish trend. Traders who are looking for a buying opportunity, you have to look closely at this region. Make sure there is a break and close above the high before you shoot for further targets. I would suggest you to really look closely at 1.2427 should you need to shift stop loss to entry or consider to exit the trade. And the best thing to do those analysis is do it right now. Set your rules now so you are not affected by the current market movement. All right, ongoing market movement. Down to the 4-hour chart, what we see over here seems like a retest of the previous high, or it could be a Friday close of the market. As you can see, initial candle over here doesn't stop the continuous upwards movement. This could be caused by traders who are exiting trade on a Friday and choose not to carry over their trade. So that's why it's really important to think about these, although in these recent few years, this is not my biggest concern because my overall trading results have shown that these kind of things doesn't factor in too much of, or rather affect negatively on my overall trading portfolio. Down to the 1-hour chart, what we see over here, a zoom in version. Overall, it is a weaker bull right now because a break of the previous support over here. It is a weaker bull, which means that traders who are looking for a shorting opportunity can consider to wait for retest on a rather aggressive shorting move. Why is it aggressive still? Because it is still a bullish trend after all. Scan this QR code, it will bring you to our students portal. It looks like this. Over here, head down to our information under the Traders Cafe. You can click the pin message, and under the pin message, click here to redeem your free training. And just right before that, you can go to our trade floor where other traders, including myself, my students, and everyone else can place their trading strategies over here for people to discuss the trade and to have a good idea what's happened on the market and what other traders are looking at. All right, so once you get to the Traders Cafe, right at the bottom under information, click the pin message, click this link over here. It will bring you to our students portal. This gives you an option to join our Telegram broadcast channel directly, where you get to receive my voice memo, because sometimes I want to pass message fast, I might not have time to film a video, and voice memo is the way to go. If you scroll down further, this is where you can access to our free training over here. Okay, this will enable you to read trend in a professional manner and to use some of the trading strategy taught within the lesson. If you scroll down further, it gives you a good idea on the kind of traders we are. We focus on a 2-1 ratio trade because that significantly reduces the level of stress when we are trading. And of course, it's really important not to overtrade of any of these trades as well. With the right trade management and risk profile management, you will be profitable within a year because you just need 40% accuracy, provided you are using strategy that has been tested over times, at least 100 times per time frame per currency pair. Back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. So over here, what we have is still the bullish bet pattern is still valid with a warning sign because a touch of candle on the A price is something that I don't like to see. However, let's see how these things goes. Break of a this is a potential bullish flag pattern that I'm looking at. This pattern, slight break is fine for bullish flag potential. Let's see how these things goes. If you go down to the 4-hour time frame, it shows a different picture. We have a bearish shark pattern. Traders who are looking for a shorting opportunity can wait for confirmation at 1.2204 for a shorting opportunity. Alternatively, a retest of previous high is something that you want to look at. On the 1-hour chart, some of the things you can consider is to wait for a retest again at 1.2197 or a full number 1.22, all right, which is the price action number or figure that you can focus on and see if this level stands. If yes, you can consider for a short-term trading shorting opportunity. One of the level you really have to take note of, which is the previous structure over here. It gives you about 33 pips, and once it reaches 33 pips on the 1 hour chart, it's good enough for you to consider to shift stops to entry. Although you might risk to get stops to entry, that means you get stop outs on your running trades without losses, but probably is a waste of time. All right, so a better level to look at before you to shift your stop loss is over here, which is 1.2130. all right, so if this kind of analysis interests you, you want to learn how to trade and how to analyze the market the right way, or the professional way, or the lower stress level way, drop us a note. We'll see if you're ready to be coached before we accept you as our students. Take care.